Hi YouTube, it's Genesis. Welcome back to another one of my videos. It's good to see you guys all here today. Merry Christmas Eve, as Phoebe would say it in Friends, my absolute favorite show, and I have to watch the episode tonight. Just a wonderful time of year. I am so happy to be filming this video for you guys. I have finally filmed a makeup tutorial. The main reason why I wanted to start a YouTube channel was to do fun, amazing looks like this, and I really loved how it turned out, so just stay tuned and we have some fun on the way. Insert clip here of me unboxing my Colourpop cosmetics, me doing this amazing look, and yeah, here we go. Well, this is what the box looks like, Colourpop, and the back of it says like made in LA, and all my clients saw that and they were like, because I got it sent to my work, they're like, made in LA. They're like, what's that fancy stuff? But I'm like, oh, just makeup. Alright, so we're opening up the box, and first thing is I ordered one of their liquid lipsticks. Super cute packaging, holographic. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on right now. So this is what their liquid lipsticks look like. So I have this Dream Big packaging, and you slide it out like this. Oh, how does this work? What's going on here? Oh wow. And the eyeshadows, oh cute. They're like, you roll out this thing. This is so cute. I'm trying to pick it up so you can see it. They're kind of falling out, but it rolls out into this cute thing, and it has all of the different eyeshadow palettes in it. So I was really excited about this one. Oh, I love the packaging. It's like the hard plastic. So this is Main Squeeze, and it's a red based palette. Protective layer. Satisfying. Oh, and then I lost it. Look how satisfying that is. Sweet. I love this because I could always use more mirrors like when I'm doing my makeup. But I was super excited about this palette because it has the red color scheme, and I've been looking for like a true red color to put on my face or my eyes. And this definitely will have it. I mean, it's called, you know, Watermelon Main Squeeze. But I just love red and pink eyeshadows. I'm gonna dip my finger. Oh, they're very silky. Wow. This one. This one. Very pretty colors. This one is called Orange You Glad. I just love the packaging. I just think it's so cute, and I love that they're all fun colors, because being gluten-free, like, there's not a lot of options for fun like color palettes. Like, I always want to get like the big Morphe palettes and everything, but I can't. So I'm super excited. Oh my gosh, look at that color in the middle. Wow. I'm super excited to have all these fun colors to play with. I love this neon orange color. Oh wow, I barely touched that. I still have eyeshadow on from the other palette. I probably shouldn't even have done that. But I barely touched it. Wow, that's gonna be super pretty on the eye. Alright, and then we got, get these out of here. Honey. I've seen this palette online, like the Honey palette. Gorgeous. And this is the green palette, Just My Luck. All different sorts of greens in this palette. I'm excited, like, for Christmas to use, this one's called Mo Bamba. I'm excited to put that on my eyes for Christmas. I really want to do like a deep emerald green makeup look. This is how many palettes we've opened so far. And I still have 2 more. Colourpop Cosmetics is super affordable. Like, this was not expensive at all. And it's good quality makeup. I'm so excited. So this was called Blue Moon. And then the last one is purple. It's My Pleasure. Alright, so that is all the palettes. It's the big stack right here, little rainbow. So I am going to dip in to Buzzkill. All right. We've got the base color down. And that actually looks really pretty on camera. This would be really good for just like a quick look as well. But let's go in with Just My Luck. And I can't decide which green I want to do. So I'm going to start with this color right here. And we are going to put that right at the end. I love that color. I'm actually kind of thinking about mixing it with, let's see, Mo Bamba. I think I'm going to put a little bit of Mo Bamba. And then just with light strokes, blending that into the crease color. You have to remember, like, when you're doing colors like this, that you just have to keep blending. Like, don't get scared of it. I think that's what happened in my last video. It was going well, and then I just got scared because it started to look a little wild. You can hear my cat out there. So just keep blending. I actually really like that transition color with it. I'm just gonna grab, yeah, I'm gonna grab a little bit of this light color from the Tarte palette. Put that right up here, just to make a more smooth transition. Wow, I love this. I think with like my brown eyes, it really makes it, like, it really makes my eyes stand out and pop. Or if I should just put the gold right on there. Wow, I think this yellow color is just so pretty. But I think it's a little too yellow for this. So this is the Tarte Gold. And then I really like this. So I think maybe we'll put a little bit of that they're right at the corner, right on top. I'm putting the pressed glitter on top actually to make it dramatic. It's just so pretty. Look at all my eyelashes. So now I have that on. I'm going to put a color under my lash line here and just kind of smudge it out. Debating, I'm gonna take this brush. Should I do green? Yeah, let's stick to green. We don't want to do green, red, and gold because that'll be a little dramatic. So let's take, I think I'm going to take, ooh, should do a shimmery color. So I'm taking 50-50, putting that. So that is this eyeshadow so far. Once I put on the lashes and mascara, it's all going to start coming together. I'm going to do my other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, that is the finished look. Obviously, you can see once you have the lashes on and your mascara, everything kind of gets pulled together. I actually really loved the yellow glitter with this look, and I think that's also because I chose a yellow base when I was, before I put on the green. So everything just kind of really goes together. Of course, the yellow and green go really well together. I'm loving this look. It really reminds me of Christmas, and it's going to be really excited for the holidays. Doesn't remind me of St. Patty's Day, which I know the palette is called Just My Luck, but it's a perfect palette for the holidays. I love this glitter so much. I can't get over it. I just think it's so gorgeous. It just turned out beautiful. I ended up putting on more glitter at the corners of my eyes and bringing it out underneath my lash line, and I think it just kind of snatches everything together and it gives you that like holiday sparkle. I just love it so much. This is probably like one of my favorite makeup looks I have done so far to date. I did have kind of more of a red lipstick on, but it was a little much, you know, with the really dramatic eyeshadow. So I wanted to just kind of, I kept my lipstick on, but I just put a little bit more of a nude pink on top. I think it goes really pretty with the colors on my eyes. And I played around with different blushes and everything. I think I finally got the color scheme right. I added a little bit more brow gel to my eyebrows just because I felt like they were a little too clean, and I wanted to bring out those hairs and just make everything kind of more dramatic. I picked out this really pretty highlighter. It is from this Tarte palette. I actually used both. I dipped into this one and this one. Yeah, I am obsessed with this look. I feel gorgeous. I can't wait to go to work. I actually have to leave right now because I have to go send out some Christmas cards. I know I'm a little late, but better late than never. So I gotta go to the post office, get some cute stamps for my Christmas cards, send those out. And today's the last day of work before it is Christmas time. So I am excited to probably do this look again, or maybe I'll do another red look and maybe film it for you guys. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, show me some love. You can follow me on Instagram at Genesis Claire. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and thank you for watching.